GTA Math, what's up? So today we're going to work on factoring trinomials. We're going to use this method called the AC method. I learned this by a great instructor. Her name is Professor Weidenfield at Schoolcraft College, and she taught me how to use this method to simplify complex methods of trinomials that may look difficult. So I'm going to just show you what that looks like. So we're going to take the A term, and we're going to multiply it by the C term. So we're going to take this 6, and we're going to multiply it by the 15. That's negative. And that's going to give us 90. Well, negative 90. So now we're going to go, what numbers can we multiply to get 90, but they add to make negative 13x? So we're going to start by going from 1 all the way up until we find our pair. So 1 times 90, 2 times 45, 3 times 30, 4, I don't think 4 has one. If it does, comment. 5 times 18. Actually, that's perfect. So we have ours. So now we have to figure out, is the 18 going to be positive or negative? In this case, it's going to be positive. Negative. Because negative 18 plus 5 equals negative 13. I know my writing is sloppy, but hey, making it work. So we're going to take this entire problem and we're going to rewrite it with these numbers that we have here. So the 6x squared is going to stay. And then we're going to take this 18 that's going to be negative, and we're going to pair it. And then we're going to add the next set of terms. And we're going to take this and leave our x's. That's a very important point. I apologize. We have to leave the x's for both of these. So then we're going to leave, this is 5x. And then we're going to have that minus 15. So from here, we're going to factor out everything by grouping. So each of these are different, but we're going to make it work. So 6x squared minus 18x, both of these share a 6 and an x. So we're going to take out a 6x, and that's going to leave us with an x here minus what's going to be left here is 3. Then we're going to leave this plus sign here, and now we're going to work on this other pair. Both of these share a 5. We're going to factor out the 5. We're going to be left with x minus 3. Because if we FOIL this back in, we would get the same thing as the step above. From here, since we have a pair that's identical both here and here with the x minus 3, we can check this pair off because it has showed up twice, which means its multiplicity allows us to use this when we factor. I hope I said that right. If I didn't, let me know in the comments, right? So we're going to take this pair and this pair. We're going to combine these terms. And now we're going to have 6x plus 5. And since we have a duplicate here, we're going to take this duplicate and we're going to put it right here. This is what our factored form of the original trinomial looks like. Excuse me. But yeah, this is it. If you don't believe me, I'll factor it back out. Well, actually FOIL it. So I'll show you what that looks like. 6x x times x is going to get us 6. X squared, 6x times negative 3 is going to give us negative 18x. 5 times x is going to give us positive 5x. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. If we combine these like terms, we're going to end up with this. We're going to end up with 6x squared minus 13x minus 15. This is the original. GTA Math, thanks for sticking with me. Let's continue to learn, love, and grow together. Appreciate everybody's time.